Hello everyone, we're back here Thursday afternoon. Sorry about dropping my phone there. Cooking with Grandma Tanner. Today she will be making fettuccine apple crisp. The recipe is posted on our Facebook page, and I will try to also post it in the comments when I post this live. So here we are, ready.
Yeah, it's a we're selling this apple fettuccine, and we have it in other flavors too, which I will show you later. But I've already brought this to a boil for 4 to 5 minutes. You don't want to overboil it. And I have 6 eggs in here. I beat them up.
Your handy little beater there.
Yep. And I will put 3 cups of milk. Beat that all together. And then the recipe calls for 3/4 cup of brown sugar. So I have that all measured.
3/4 packed in there.
Packed in there. You always have to make sure it's all packed. Stir that up real good. I'll beat it a little bit.
I remember playing with those things when we were little.
Those beaters?
Yeah. I tried to beat our Play-Doh.
Oh. And then a teaspoon of cinnamon, which will make it really good. And a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Those 2 spices really make apples stand out. So we'll beat that a little bit more. Now I have chosen 2 Galas and 2 Zestars to put on top of it. And you cut them. This is a Gala. I just cut them like this.
You're not cutting them with your...
No, because it says chunks.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you put it on top.
Well, this is diced over here.
Yeah, well, it's pretty close. You can make them as small as you want.
You do the recipe wrong?
It's not that recipe. This is one that we looked up with this company.
Okay.
To simplify it a little bit.
Well, the one on the back here is Country Captain Chicken.
You put chicken with it.
Oh, yeah.
There's just all kinds of recipes.
And apples. That sounds good.
So I have cooked the pasta, or fettuccine. And, you know, when you boil fettuccine or noodles or anything, you put a little pat of butter in there and they will never run over. So I did that, cooked it after it came to a boil, 4 to 5 minutes. Now this is 4 apples, quite a few on here. Pretty easy recipe. And you can eat this either cold or warm.
It's pretty good with some ice cream.
Yeah, Cool Whip or ice cream is really good with it. Let's get these out a little bit better. And then you just pour this egg and milk mixture on it. And I have the oven set at 350. So you put it in the oven for 40 minutes, 35 to 40 minutes.
The hardest part was cooking the noodles.
Yeah. Makes it really good. I made one this morning. Very good. So all those apples are all kind of sunk in there. And then my oven's set at 350. So I'll put it in the oven for 40 minutes. Now the one I made this morning, the apples cook up. Yeah, a little mouse got into that corner there. And it is really good. I think it would be very good with Cool Whip or ice cream.
Well, you got a fork around? I'll try it.
Yeah. Here's a spoon.
That'll work.
The apples are soft.
It's almost like a...
It's a crisp. Supposed to be a crisp. I thought it was good.
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
It was really good.
Mm-hmm. Now, what else do we have going on this weekend?
Well, let me finish eating this.
Yeah. So
and it's nice because the apples weren't mushy.
No, they're kind of firm. You let the peels on, and you know there's a lot of vitamin underneath.
That'd be
those
really
peels.
good. That'd be really good with some ice cream.
Yeah.
Man. So this weekend, well, this weekend, this Saturday is going to be very busy for us.
Mm-hmm.
So last Saturday was supposed to be our butterfly ladybug release and breakfast in the sunflower field. Well, we got what? How many inches of rain here?
Quite a bit.
I had a 5.5 inch rain gauge at home, and it had overfilled, so I don't even know how much we got.
Yeah.
So we postponed it till this Saturday. We did have some people that were not able to make it this Saturday that were coming last Saturday. So we do have tickets available online. Just go to our website. If you guys can make it Saturday and you want to get tickets, get online and purchase them online, and we have chocolate chip pancakes with apple pie filling, caramel sauce. Then we'll have breakfast at 8, starts at 8. 9 o'clock, we'll start the butterfly ladybug release. If you come, you can eat before or after. A lot of them come and eat early. They go do the butterfly, they take pictures, a lot of fun pictures out there, pick flowers, and then go play on the back 40, because it is a big family event. And then Saturday night, we have our adult only event that's out in the back 40. The store will be open. The sunflower field's open.
And the cutting garden. We have a lot of zinnias and cosmos and other kind of flowers.
Yep. So that will be going on Saturday night, and you can get your tickets for that online too. We still got a few left for that. So if you guys aren't busy Saturday looking for something to do, we got either an event in the morning if you have kids, or you and your significant other. I've seen that a lot. They have a lot of fun. Or at night, if you if you're 21 and over, you can do that event. It's a lot of fun. So that's what.
And the campfires are so much
fun. Yeah,
fun.
Yeah. There's all my private fire pits are sold, but we do have some general ones, ones, and we're serving nachos. We serve pulled pork, or pulled chicken, or brisket nachos, and then you get to try different salsas and barbecue sauces, different stuff. So it's a big hit. A lot of people have fun.
They can roast their marshmallows and then put a graham cracker around it.
Yep. Yeah, we have people that have come and done this for every year that we've done it. I don't know how many years have we done it? 4?
I think this might be our 4th year.
Yeah. So it's a lot of fun. Even the employees, we have a lot of fun. We'll be tired this weekend because we got the breakfast early. So, but that's okay. I said we might just do it like this every year. One big bang and we're done.
Yeah.
So, all right. Well, that's all for Cooking with Grandma Tanner. She made fettuccine apple crisp, and I will post that in the comments after I get this posted. It might take a little bit. Hopefully I'll remember. I need reminders all the time.
Jenny's a busy lady these days.
Yeah. So anyways, all right, guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you next week. Thank you.